I just wanted to show you the plans that you can use, like I was talking in the last video about the $29 plan, and you can do all that I've mentioned, providing services to professionals that you find through searching in Google. You can see more of the features. You have 10 gigabytes disk, unlimited bandwidth, premium hosting. Now that's a really incredible thing. You know, I mean, mostly when you build a website, you have to pay for hosting. Now, that's included. But if you want to have a domain, you buy the domain, you can add it to your website. I don't know what that one was supposed to be. Excuse me. You can see you do get quite a lot of value there, just incredible amount of tools. And like I said, all this is about to upgrade. It's going to become Builderall 3.0, and the price will be going up. It has to, because of the extra additional tools being added in, like there's an e-commerce tool, which is it's going to be fabulous. Alright, well I just wanted to let you see that, so it'd be good to take a look at that and you can see what you get. Okay.